Hi everyone, it's Dr. Cato with Cato MD. We're doing hand rejuvenation with Radiesse. So as you can see, she lost a little bit of volume here. So you could see the tendons, you could see the veins. The skin is a little bit thinner. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna replenish this volume by injecting this product in there. Radiesse is a product that is a bioactivator, which means once you inject it in the hand, it's gonna give you some volume, but then that volume goes away for a little bit, and it gets your body to produce its own collagen. We do one small incision point. We take the cannula in, doesn't hurt. Now, we're gonna get some gel so we can massage it. Look at the difference it made just here. Look at this area, and this is, I haven't treated this area, I have treated only this area. Look at the difference it made just compared this section to this. You can see already the difference. Now, what we're gonna do, you see here, she has a little bit of loose skin. If we could show it on camera from this angle. Look at that section here.